Welcome. This tutorial will show how to search LADBS online records available for viewing and downloading. Begin at the ladbs.org homepage. Select the icon Request for Building Records. This is the online Building Records search page. The preferred method for searching is listed first. It is by street address. Select by address. At this page, type in the street address you wish to research. It is not necessary to enter the suffix. Click Search. The results of the address search are shown. Use the check boxes at the left to select any items that match the address search exactly. Note the direction and street suffix to eliminate false matches. Click Continue. The results of all of the documents LADBS has are shown. The documents are shown by document type in alphabetical order. It is helpful to sort the documents using the option Doc Date Ascending. By using this option, it will group the documents by date and group any duplicate entries together. Click Sort. Documents with the same doc date and the same last 5 digits in the user doc number column are identical documents. If identical documents are listed, only one will have an icon. An icon in the far right column indicates documents available for immediate viewing and download. Click the icon to view the document. This window shows the document selected. This document may be printed or downloaded from this page. Continue down the list of documents and click on each icon to view each additional document. Be aware that the list may contain multiple pages as indicated at the bottom right of the screen. To begin a new search, click Home at the left side of the screen. For searches not by address, select the method from the document search page. To obtain copies of documents without an icon, you will need to make a request using a Records Research Request form. It can be obtained at our homepage, ladbs.org. Click on Forms and Publications. Click on Forms. The research request form is listed here. Indicate the address, document type, date, and number from your search results in the request. Email your completed request to records.ladbs@lacity.org. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.